My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today we are going to be doing an eye look. Yay! So recently I went to Walmart and I bought Finesse and I the exact same palette. I saw it, fell in love with it. I hadn't seen it before, so I think it's new. It's the Hard Candy Look Pro eyeshadow palette. Aren't these gorgeous colors? Beautiful. So let me show you. And it comes with two brushes, and I use the brushes in here just so we know what the brushes look like. But aren't these colors just gorgeous? All this first row are matte colors, and all these top rows are shimmer colors. I love them. So yeah, I saw this, I had to have it, and I got my daughter one because I know that she would love it. So yeah, and you know, this palette only costs $10, and my daughter tells me that Hard Candy is like a sister company to Urban Decay. So you'll see here in a minute the pigmentation that this eyeshadow palette gives. Really good payoff, so definitely worth it. And today I thought I would let you see what's usually in front of me, and I'm facing what you guys usually see, my backdrop. I thought it would be kind of a fun treat for y'all to see what I'm usually looking at. This is my vanity right here. This is my ring light behind me, and two little softbox lights that I recently got on Amazon. And this is the Beauty and the Beast little thing that my son and daughter-in-law got me. Let me start it for you. I love it. Every time I sit down on my vanity, I push the button. Alrighty guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, then you know what to do. Follow me. I can hear my granddaughter coming up the stairs. Okay, so before we get started with the eye look using the Hard Candy new palette that I just bought, this one is called Hard Candy Look Pro. So I love the colors in here. And so before I get started with that, I'm going to start off with Hard Candy Eyelid Primer. And you want to put this everywhere where you know you're going to be putting eyeshadow, because it helps to make the eyeshadow look more pigmented, helps the eyeshadow to stay on all day, and to not crease as well. I just love this little rose gold design right there. It's so pretty. And then on the other side of it is a mirror. So okay, I think we are going to start with this color all over my lid. And I'm just using a Morphe brush, a big fluffy Morphe brush. Okay, now that we have that on, you know, I think I'm going to try to use the brushes that came with it. There's two brushes. This one has a flat synthetic brush, and on this other end it has a fluffier brush. And on this one it's a fluffier flat brush and an angled one here. So I think I'm going to try to use this fluffy end right here just to see how the brushes work with this palette. I like to do that because if you're going to buy a palette and it comes with brushes, why not try it out and see how it works? So yeah, this palette was only $10 at Walmart. So I'm just going to load up with this. I love that it has names back here too. See, all the names. This one is called Single, the one that I have all over my lids right now. And this one that I'm going to use right now is called Sweet Nothing. So let's see what Sweet Nothing looks like. I can see it. I can see the color. I was kind of worried that there wouldn't be a lot of color payoff, but there is. Yeah, the brush is a little small. I usually like a bigger brush than this because takes longer when you have a smaller brush. But the good thing about it is that it's more precise. You place it right where you want it. So I do like that about it. I'm going to take this fluffier flat brush that has the angled end, and I'm going to take this color right here. Even though it's a shimmer, I don't really want a shimmer, but there's not a darker brown matte color, but I want to put that in my crease a little bit. It's called Double Date. So that's nice, right? On to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have that on, here it is on both eyes. I'm going to use this color right here. That one is called Roses. So I am going to take a flat brush, the one that was on the end of the fluffy brush. I'm going to take this clean brush and I'm going to go in here. Load that up and put this on my eyelid. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I like that. It's soft and pretty. Soft and pretty as rose petals. Okay, so there's that. There's both eyes done. So the next color that I am going to put above this, because I want a little bit more shimmer since that was a matte, I'm going to go in with this one called Love Affair. And I already cleaned off that flat brush and I am going to go in with that and see what this looks like. I'm going to put it on the inner corner. Ooh, see, that's pretty. It doesn't hide the color Roses underneath. It just adds a little bit of shimmer to it. So pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. So yeah, there's that. So pretty. Hope you can see it. I would come in close, but it's such a hassle to zoom in because my camera is not fixed yet, so I'll zoom in at the end. Okay, so that's done on both eyes. I am going to go in with the color Heartbreaker, which is this one right here. I'm going to go in with that, and that also has like little sparkly little glitter speckles in it. So let's try that. I'm going to put that in the center and outward a little bit. Oh yeah, definitely shows up. Kind of blend it in a little bit. But now I'm going to take a little bit more of Love Affair, the one that I used on the inner corner, and kind of just blend the two colors together so that it's kind of seamless. There, like that. So can you see a difference this eye versus this eye? I definitely can. You can see the darker color over here. Next, and I think one of my last steps, I am going to brave it and actually use, let me see, what is it called? Oh my goodness. It's actually called Ball and Chain. How crazy is that? So this is called Ball and Chain. I'm going to use that with the flat brush and put it on the outer V of my eye. Just like that. But I'm going to kind of drag it in a little bit. There. Going to go really close to the lash line all the way in and see what that does. But I think I'll do that with my angled brush here. Let's see if I can, so that I can get really close to the lash line. Maybe I can do that instead of using eyeliner today. Oh, that came out nice. See? Yeah, I like that. Looks like eyeliner, doesn't it? Over here, we can make it a little sharper to make it look like a little wing. Okay, I like that. Alright, so I'm going to go do the same thing to the other eye, but first I am going to blend this a little bit with the fluffy brush. I'm going to take a little bit of that crease color that I used and just blend that a little bit. Okay, so there's that. Now I am going to kind of repeat what I did on the top, down on the bottom. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the brown crease color. Close to the lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the dark color. What did I say it was called? Ball and chain, right on the outer corner. Going to make it meet up with the top part. And just leave it about there. Like that. Okay, and now I am going to wipe off these brushes and I'm going to go in with that outer shimmer color right there and go on the inner corner. Like that. And now I'm going to go in with the lightest color that I have right here. Put it right above that. Ever so slightly. Okay, so that's pretty much all I'm going to do on the bottom. I'm going to go do the same thing on the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, so there's that. There's both eyes. I think I'm going to get a small brush of mine, BH brush, and I'm going to get this gold color right here. It's called Marry Up. And I'm just going to put it slightly on the inner corner. See if it shows up. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see it. You'll see it when I get close if you don't see it now. Pretty, so pretty. I like it. I'm going little by little because I don't want to overwhelm it with gold, but so I'm going gradual, little by little, making it a little darker. Carry it a little bit up here. And I just very lightly brought it all the way up just to marry all those colors together. I just realized I'd forgotten that the color is called Marry Up, and then I said I was going to slightly drag it all the way over to marry all the colors together. Maybe it was a subconscious decision to use that word because I'd already used the word. So crazy. Okay, I'm going to go do the other eye now. Okay, so I think I am done with using this palette. I love this palette. If you guys like the look, or if you like the colors in here and want to try to recreate a different look, then definitely go get yourself one. So now to finish off, I'm going to use my Anastasia Amrezi highlighter, and I'm going to go a little bit higher up over here in the inner corners, just to brighten up the eye a little bit. Just a little bit there. I'm going to put some over here. Like so. Okay, so that's it for that. Now I am going to do my pencil eyeliner and bottom mascara. I like to use my NYX dark brown eye pencil. So I'm going to put that on the tight line. Okay, so there's that eye. I'm going to go do the other one and I'll be right back. And now I am going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes and we will call it done. I'm using my Voluminous Lash Paradise. And it's a dupe for Better Than Sex mascara, and it's L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's even got the same packaging as Better Than Sex. Okay, so I think I'm done, aside from my crazy eyelash extensions that need brushing. I will come close here in a second and let you see what it looks like up close, just in case you weren't able to see everything that I did. Okay, I'll come in close. Okay, so here's the makeup up close. All right, that's enough closeness, isn't it? Here's what I did on the bottom. All right, let me zoom out now, because this is scary. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down, and I'll be right back. All right, I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, so my hair's down. Probably looked cuter with the little ears, but okay, here's my hair down. I usually wear it down because when I wear it up for too long, I get headaches. So alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, really love this palette. For 10 bucks, you can't beat it. Look at all those colors you get. Wow, 5, 10, 15 colors. Awesome. Got a whole row of neutrals and pretty shimmers. Awesome. Let's go get you one. If you do, let me know how you liked it. Alrighty guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. When you hit the bell, you get notified as soon as a new video goes up. And let me see, what else do I want to tell you? Let me know down below in the comments what you thought of this palette, or if you yourself have it already. And yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. And any thoughts that you have, questions, concerns, life stories of yours that you want to tell me, leave them down below. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, bye. Mwah. Besitos. Bye.
Thank you for watching our